In this video, I'm going to show you how to find and connect with your ideal clients. Now, LinkedIn has the most powerful search algorithm of all social media platforms, and that is because of the information that it stores on each of its members. So all you do here on the top left-hand side in the search bar, just type in the title of the person you're looking for. So let's say, for example, you're looking for marketing managers. So you type in marketing manager and you press enter. You will then have these filters up at the top here. Select the first one, people. And you will see LinkedIn is now telling me there are 10.3 million marketing managers on LinkedIn. If you want to fine tune that further, to example for your country or your city, click here on locations, and I'm just going to select South Africa, and then you click on show results. So in South Africa there are 99,000 profiles with marketing manager in them. And then all you simply do is have a look at the profile, see if that person is relevant, and then you click on connect and send without a note. Now, the reason I say send without a note is because by this stage you've already optimized your LinkedIn profile to your ideal client. So the first thing they're going to do, and I guarantee this, is they're going to view your profile because they don't know you. And once they've seen your profile, it's optimized to them, they will agree to connect. And you can send out in the region of 150 to 250 connection requests a week, depending on how big your network is already. As your network grows, you'll be able to send out more. Don't worry, you won't be blocked if you send out to the maximum. LinkedIn will just pop up a message to say you've reached your weekly invitation limit, and then you just wait for Monday morning when it resets. I hope you found this video useful. Please check out the other videos in this playlist for other functionality on LinkedIn.